Hello everybody, and in today's video I'm here to discuss using certain detectors with certain meters and the limitations of the detectors that you're going to run into. So this is a Ludlum model 2241-3. It's a scalar rate meter, and oftentimes you will see it used with such probes as the following, like the model 44-7, which is what's called an end window GM, a model 44-2, a scintillator probe. You will also see it used with what's called a pancake probe, and occasionally with a hot dog probe. This is the smallest style of probe that you will find. You will also find the 44-38, which is what's called a sidewall GM. And in this video, we're mainly going to be talking about this detector and this detector. And what I want to talk about is actually familiarizing the user with the limits of the model 44-2 and micro R per hour, because it actually will run into a huge dead time issue at high radiation levels greater than 5 milli-R per hour, and will totally go off by factors depending on the amount of radiation that's coming in. So yeah, let's just go ahead and check these limitations out up here, where I've got two other units, a 2241 and a 2241-2. So in this case, I'm using this unit with a 44-2, and this one is hooked up to a 44-38. I also have a Model 19 micro R meter over here, just to monitor my own safety, I guess. And I'm going to be filming from right here. I also have the probes over here. You can see the sidewall and the 44-2. And yeah, so let's go ahead and look at the readings we get on these things. You'll see right about now everything is normal. The 44-2 and 44-38 are getting pretty much the same, but as I come in here closer with the source, which is a cesium-137 medical source, you can see the 44-38 is starting to get a higher dose rate, which is accurate, and the 44-2 is slightly going down, and you'll see, the 44-2 is displaying 50, and the 44-38's already at, 627, so, in milli-R per hour, and we're using cesium-137, so again, the dose rates can be pretty true, which is the isotope that these units are calibrated to. So, if I zoom out a little, which I'm going to do here, you can see that I'm about half a foot away from the two detectors, and we are getting a pretty weird reading because the 44-2 is giving us about 4.4 milli-R per hour, and the one over here is giving us, 21 R per hour, so we're a pretty huge difference.